Alright, welcome everyone. Today will be a quick video showing what to expect when your Switchbot's internal battery is running low and how to replace that battery when it runs low. So here we are looking at the Switchbot app. I have two Switchbots and both of their batteries died at around about the same time. The bedroom light batteries are so dead that it shows offline here in the app, and the battery only had about 0.3 volts instead of the full 3 volts that the battery is supposed to have. And the kitchen Switchbot still shows online, but I noticed it wasn't flipping the light switch, which made me check under logs, where I noticed these diagnostic errors where it was warning me that the battery was low. And I find that pretty neat and kind of helpful. But now let's get into actually changing the battery. Okay, so over here I have my Switchbot mounted to my kitchen light switch, and I saved the original box, and according to the description, the included Switchbot battery should last 600 days. I'm now at day 340, so in reality I only got about 56% of the expected battery life with daily usage, but fortunately it's not too difficult to find these CR2 batteries. I found these CR2 batteries on Amazon and they look like CR123 batteries, and while they're both 3 volts, they are smaller, so be sure to get CR2s, and I'll put a link in my description down below. Replacing the battery is straightforward, it's just behind this faceplate. There's a little indentation here that you can stick your fingernail in and it should pop right off. So just stick the Energizer in there positive side down, replace the cover, clicks in, and now let's check the Switchbot app. Alright, so now we're back in the Switchbot app and the bedroom lights have reappeared now that we changed the battery off camera. And the kitchen lights are still here, which is also a good sign. And now let's see if changing the battery on the kitchen light has restored its ability to control the light switch. So let's first push the off button. And now let's try to turn it back on. Alright, so that was a success. Let me know if this video helped you learn how to change the battery in your Switchbot by clicking on that like button, and consider subscribing to my channel for more great tech reviews. Thanks for watching.